Hey everybody, welcome to Idaho. This is Cliff, and we're going to take a look tonight at a giant pumpkin. Giant pumpkin plant. I've got 3 over on this side, and this giant, you see my shadow there, this giant triangle that you see is my giant pumpkin plant, one of them. And I came out, buried vines last Saturday morning, and here it's Monday, and the vines have grown that far, about 1 foot to 1.5 foot all the way around. And I'm burying them with lots of good stuff, fertilizers, kind of my weed pressure is pretty bad. You know, I turn around and I can weed everything. 2 or 3 days later, it looks like I didn't do anything. But that's a sign of healthy soil, I hope. Let's go around here. You know, it's been another year of, okay, I'm growing the plant fairly well now. I think I've been doing this longer than anyone in the world who hasn't reached 1,000 pounds yet. And this year's been a little bit of a disappointment because the fruit isn't growing very fast. I've kind of set up a makeshift shade. My buddies down in Utah tell me that I've got to use the shade because the sun can really burn these plants and it takes more out of the plant than goes into the pumpkin, and so I got to look at that. So the first pumpkin on this plant aborted. The second is that one right there, and then now there's a third. It's over there, little one. The second, one of these two has to leave, obviously. The second was while I was on vacation. The third one I was able to get just after my vacation. And so I really want to self this plant. Every year, this is the 500 Warren from way back in 2013. Every year it is the best plant in my patch. And it's grown 3 Howard Dill Award winners for me. I'm getting down to my remaining seeds. Thought I would just self this one. We're going to see between those two which one I keep. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Signing off from this beautiful night here in Idaho. See ya.